Hi, this is Josh with Lakeland Mills Incorporated. Today we will be assembling a cedar log coffee table, model number CF1227. Once you get your box, you will want to sort all of your pieces to make sure that everything is there and that nothing got damaged in shipping. After sorting your pieces, place a tabletop on a clean, flat surface and assemble the base assembly. As you assemble the logs, you may see that some of them have cracks in them. This is called checking, and it is a normal part of the drying process, and adds to the natural beauty of the rustic furniture. After your base assembly is assembled, take the assembly and place the doweled ends into the holes of the table. It may be awkward to go in at first, and they may not want to, but as you wiggle the legs around, they will eventually go in. We recommend using a rubber mallet or a block of wood and a hammer to tap the pieces in, just to make sure that you don't mar up the wood. Once that is done, flip your table over and make sure that it sits level. If it doesn't, you can tap the top of the table just a little bit and it should level up the table. Now that your coffee table is level, flip it back over and secure all dowel joints with the screws provided. Please make sure that the screws don't go all the way through to the other side and pop out, and that they also don't go through the top of the table. Now would be a good time to finish your coffee table in a good penetrating oil-based deck sealant, or leave it natural to weather to a silvery gray color. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that this video helped answer any questions you may have had in your coffee table assembly. If you still have questions, feel free to contact our customer service department at 1-800-427-5136. Thanks again and have a great day.